ओम श्री गणेशाय नमः। श्रीमन्नारायणीयम्। ओम श्री कृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः। दशकं 68 श्लोका 5। विकरुणो वने कृष्णा संविहाय माम् अपगतोऽसि का कृष्ण त्वामिह स्पृशेत् इति सरोषया कृष्ण तावदेकया सजललोचनं कृष्ण वीक्षितो भवान्। Word by word meaning. Vikarunaha, without any pity. Vane, in the forest. Mam, samvihaya, leaving me. Apagataha, ase, thou didst go away. Tvam, thee, iha, in this world. Ka sprushet, who will touch. Iti, thus. Saroshaya, ekaya, by one angry woman. Sajala lochanam, with tearful eyes. Tavat bhavan, vikshitaha, thou wert looked at then. Full meaning. One angry woman looked at thee with tearful eyes, saying, thou didst go away, leaving me in the forest without any pity. Who in this world will touch thee? Om Tat Sat.